TheJapanesePage.com's beginning Japanese phrases.
First, let's recap Lesson 1. Do you remember how to say, I want something to eat?
何か食べたいです。
And now, I want something to drink.
何か飲みたいです。
In today's lesson, we will build from Lesson 1 by simply adding ka. You can think of ka as being a question mark. It makes a statement into a question sentence. To change I want something to eat, and remember the I here is assumed, simply add a ka to the end. Say, do you want something to eat?
何か食べたいですか？ 何か食べたいですか？
Remember, simply adding a ka at the end changes a statement into a question. Say, I want something to eat.
何か食べたいです。
Now ask, do you want something to eat?
何か食べたいですか？
Say, I would like something to drink.
何か飲みたいです。
Now ask the question, would you like something to drink?
何か飲みたいですか？何か飲みたいですか？
Try to answer by saying, yes, I would like to drink. Use hi for yes.
はい、飲みたいです。
Thank you for listening. The next lesson will build from what we have learned here.
それじゃあまたね。
Join our Japanese language community at www.thejapanesepage.com. Also check out our store at thejapanshop.com